y'all, Captain Patrick Garmison here with Ugly Fishing, down here at the Blue Wave meeting with L&M Marine, taking a look at a lot of the Blue Wave lines that they have here. This is the 20-foot classic. We have, this is a two-tone paint job, silver mist over burgundy with a silver mist inside. This is the classic, along with all their other boats, have their signature non-skid pattern, which is one of my favorite features of the Blue Wave boat. So we have a nice wide beam, 8 feet, plenty of walk-around room for a 20-foot boat, nice and stable on the water. We have the classic console. It's a little bit shorter and has standard with the rod holders on the side. Have a nice switch panel here, real sleek look with the carbon fiber panel. Inside access to get all your batteries and stuff within the console here. Nice big wide opening door to be able to get in there and work on things. Because if you own a boat, you know that you're gonna have to get in there and do some stuff. Have a traditional leaning post with rocket launchers here. Room enough to, let's see, what do we have? A 70-quart cooler stored underneath. Have the rear live well, plumbed with recirculator pumps, and it has the light, LED light inside. Both sides have jump seats. With storage underneath. Self-bailing cockpit, so we have drains on each side. Front live well, same deal, have plumbed with a recirculator pump, which is helpful for keeping bait alive. We have rod locker, 4 rod tubes, easy to be able to get your rods in and out of there, out of the boat, not into the bilge, which is important if you're going to store any type of fish or bait or anything in there. Larger box here, same thing, drains off the boat. It does not drain into the bilge, which is always nice. You could also use this as a fish box. Storage on this side. Front anchor locker. Some boats don't think about that. Then you have the pop-up cleats around the boat, which are nice. You don't get a cast net or anything hung up on there. It's really be difficult to do that. So that's it. That's the Blue Wave 20-foot classic.